Wi-Fi Joy review: is this app safe and worth using, or just a data harvesting ad trap? Within minutes of installing this app, it told one user they had already earned nearly £27 just for showing up. That number is not generosity, it is a manipulation tactic. Wi-Fi Joy is an Android app published by Wonderful World Team, a developer registered in Indonesia. The app presents itself as a dual-purpose tool, a Wi-Fi network analyzer that doubles as a mini-game reward platform where users can earn cash by completing tasks and staying connected. It has accumulated around 26,000 downloads and is available on Google Play. On the surface, the app offers Wi-Fi signal analysis alongside a gamified reward system, pitching itself as a way to make every minute of online time feel productive and valuable. It allows users to select withdrawal methods, including PayPal, Visa, and MasterCard, which gives the experience an initial veneer of legitimacy. The reality underneath is far less impressive. The early balance numbers are what researchers call anchoring, inflated figures designed to make you feel committed before you have spent any real time in the app. The withdrawal screen does not prove money exists. It is a persuasion tool. Independent analysis confirms the app collects location data and app activity, which it may share with third parties, going well beyond what any Wi-Fi tool would require. Verified Play Store reviewers report serious friction at the cash-out stage. One shopper said every attempt to enter their payment email returned an error message even when the format was completely correct. Another user described the cash-out system as requiring bubbles that are never explained, followed by a 20-day login wait that simply resets. A third reviewer called it exactly what they expected: a scam dressed up by convincing ads featuring fake actors. Wi-Fi Joy is only appropriate for someone who wants a basic Wi-Fi signal check and has no intention of ever attempting to withdraw anything. Now, for the pros and cons. The Wi-Fi analysis function provides some genuine network utility. The app is free to download. The interface is described as user-friendly and easy to navigate. It is available on Google Play and passed the platform's basic security screening. The developer has provided a listed contact location. The problems are significant. Early reward balances are artificially inflated as a psychological anchoring tactic. The cash-out process is reported as broken or deliberately obstructed by users. The app collects and may share location and activity data with third parties. The developer has no credible independent review history. Real payouts are not confirmed by any independent user or review platform.